Top 5 deadliest birds in the world. Number 5. Mute Swan. The mute swan is one of the world's largest waterfowl, not to mention one of the most aggressive and territorial. It fiercely defends its nest against predators. The swan weighs about 26 pounds, and the wingspan is about 7 feet. When it senses any threat to its nest, it hisses, charges and pecks and shoves the threat with its muscular wings. It can cause some serious injuries, like eye injuries, broken bones and bruises. One tragic case, a property caretaker drowned after being pushed out of a kayak by mute swans his own company had established on a lakeside community. Number 4. European herring gull. The herring gull is an aggressive bird that attacks any other creatures attempting to intrude its dwelling. It's commonly found in the garbage deposit areas. The birds can weigh more than 3 pounds, with wingspans around 6 feet. Territorial instincts are retained during nesting season. In 2001, a woman in the UK suffered deep head wounds from an attack and a dog was killed. In 2002, an elderly man died of a heart attack after being mobbed by gulls. The birds aggressively steal food from humans, causing potential injuries from the massive razor-like bills. Number 3. Australian magpie. From its feeding tendencies, the Australian magpie is usually inoffensive, like other dangerous birds. But during their 6-week nesting season, the birds fearlessly swoop down in pairs to attack intruders wherever they are most vulnerable. For humans, this means that the head and face areas are targeted. Eye injuries, serious flesh wounds, and head injuries have all been reported. Fatal accidents have resulted when intruders such as cyclists or pedestrians have panicked after being battered on the head by the talons and the massive pointed bill. Number 2. The African ostrich. The African ostrich is the largest bird on Earth and is the sole remaining ostrich species following the tragic extinction of the Arabian ostrich. The ostrich looks comical, but is dangerous, standing about 7 feet tall. It weighs around 240 pounds, it has long eyelashes and the bills are broad. They run at a speed of 43 miles per hour. They have large leg bones and hoof-like sharp and pointed nails, and they attack humans when they sense any danger to their young ones or to their habitat. A human target may be disemboweled or battered to death in seconds. In one region of South Africa, up to 3 attacks occur per year. Number 1. Southern Cassowary. This is the most dangerous bird that dwells in the rainforests in New Guinea and northwestern Australia. It's a member of the ratite family. They have blue skin patches and black plumage, and they have a bony head plate. They weigh more than 130 pounds and are about 6 feet tall. They are highly protective about their territory. They have razor-sharp spurs and have the strongest kick forces amongst animals. They have strong legs with 3 claws on each leg. The middle one is about 5 inches long, dagger-like, sharp and pointed. Their middle claw can rip open, disembowel and kill any human in a matter of seconds. In the year 2007, the bird was declared the most dangerous bird by the Guinness Book of World Records.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.